Wally, I'm tracking down some dangerous person, and as you're new to being a speedster, I want you to come with me and help, because I think it'll be good for your training.
If I mess something up?
Right, I'll be there.
How are we going to jump that?
Well, if you calculate your speed right, you should get enough velocity to get the momentum. You should be able to jump it just like reverse back, yeah? Alright. We need to get a run on speed, yeah? Right, 3, 2, 1, go. This is it. Run at him with all your speed, try to take him out.
Don't worry, Barry, I've got him.
It was you! You were the one in my house that night. You killed my brother. Why?
If you want to know that, you're going to have to catch me first.
Who are you?
You know who I am, Barry.
I don't know who you are.
But you do, Barry. You and I have been at this for a long time, but I'm always one step ahead of you. It is your destiny to lose to me first, just like it was your brother's destiny to die that night.